Welcome to the Strategic Conservation Assessment Project video tutorial series. In this video, we will demonstrate single project mode of the Conservation Prioritization tool. Single project mode can be used to characterize co-benefits of land conservation in a single project area or watershed. Once you arrive at the Conservation Prioritization tool, you will need to select single project mode after reading the introductory content and disclaimers. On this page, you will need to then define your area of interest. All areas of interest must be defined within the SCA region, which is outlined in blue. There are three ways to define the area of interest. The first way is to draw a polygon. To draw a polygon, start by clicking once on the pentagon icon located on the left of the screen. Now drawing mode is activated. Then move the mouse to where you want your area of interest and click and drag the mouse to create the border of the AOI. To finish an AOI, click on the first point you made for your AOI, which deactivates drawing mode. Then click on the button Finalize Area of Interest, located on the top right panel of the screen. If you are dissatisfied or made a mistake with drawing your AOI, you have the option to either edit the drawn shape using the Edit Layer icon or delete it entirely using the trash can icon, both located on the left of the screen. The second way is to select a watershed boundary as your area of interest. All watersheds are 12-digit HUC watersheds. In the drop-down menu for Input located in the top right panel of the screen, choose Select from a HUC 12 watershed. You will then have the option to select a watershed by its name, its 12-digit HUC ID, or its physical boundary via the Watershed Selection Options drop-down menu located in the top right panel of the screen. If you choose to select a watershed by its name or 12-digit ID, you will use Select a Watershed drop-down menu located at the top right panel of the screen to select. If you choose Select a watershed's physical boundary, the map will render all HUC 12 watershed boundaries. It may take a few moments, and you can use your cursor to click on the watershed of your choice. The selected watershed boundary will change from blue to red once it is selected. After you have correctly selected your desired watershed, click Finish, located in the top right panel of the screen. The third way is to upload a shapefile of your AOI. To upload a shapefile, click on the drop-down menu for Input located in the top right panel of the screen and select Input from a .zip boundary shapefile. You will then be prompted to browse your computer for the desired zipped folder. The browse icon will appear in the top right panel of the screen. Once you have selected and uploaded a shapefile, click Finish located on the top right panel. Once you have finalized the area of interest, you will be taken to the assessment page where you can view the characteristics of your AOI. If you'd like to create a downloadable summary report of your AOI, you may do so by clicking on the Detailed Report button located in the top right corner of this page. You also have the ability to download a shapefile of your AOI by clicking on the Spatial Footprint button, also located in the top right corner of this page. You can also download all spatial data for your AOI by clicking on the Export Raw Data Table button located in the top right corner of this page. If you would like to explore further, click on the Advanced Options button on the right side of the screen and three additional options will appear: Rename AOI, Refine AOI, and turn on all supporting layers. By clicking Rename AOI, you will be taken to a new table where you can type your desired AOI name in the text input box. By clicking Refine AOI, another tab will appear and a map of your AOI will be visible. To refine the AOI, hover your mouse over the Layers icon in the top right of the map and check the box next to View Hexagons. Once the hexagons are visible, you can remove hexagons from your defined AOI by first clicking on the hexagons you want to remove. The selected hexagons for removal will turn from blue to gray. To officially remove the selected hexagons, click on the Deselect Highlighted Hexagons button located in the right side of the screen. By clicking Turn on all supporting layers, the map of the AOI in the bottom right of the screen will make the following layers visible: National Estuarine Research Reserve Conservation Areas, Florida Natural Areas Inventory BOT Conservation Areas, Mississippi Conservation Opportunity Areas, Louisiana Conservation Opportunity Areas, Alabama Conservation Opportunity Areas, and the Southeast Conservation Adaptation Strategy Blueprint. To turn on or off any of these layers, hover your mouse over the layers icon in the top right of the map and check or uncheck any layers you desire to hide or view. Thank you for viewing the single project mode tutorial for the Conservation Prioritization tool. If you are interested in learning further, please see our video tutorial series on the Strategic Conservation Assessment website.